When did India gain independence from British rule? August 15, 1947. Who was the first president of independent India? Rajendra Prasad. Who became the first Prime Minister of independent India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who hoists the national flag at the Red Fort on Independence Day? The Prime Minister of India. Who unfurls the national flag at Rajpath on Republic Day? The President of India. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra? 24. What is the national motto inscribed below the national emblem? Satyameva Jayate. What does Satyameva Jayate mean? Truth alone triumphs. What is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. What is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Who designed the current Indian national flag? Pingali Vengaya. What is the ratio of the Indian national flag? 2:3. How many gun salutes are given to the Indian national flag during Independence Day? 21. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is famously known as the Iron Man of India. Which document provides the official guidelines for using the Indian national flag? Flag Code of India. What is the title of Nehru's famous speech on the eve of independence? Tryst with Destiny. Who was the last British Viceroy of India? Lord Louis Mountbatten. What is the name of the line dividing India and Pakistan? Radcliffe Line. Which British law marked the legal end of British rule in India? The Indian Independence Act 1947. Why was the date August 15 chosen for Indian independence? Date of Japan surrender in World War II. Which movement is also called the August Movement? Quit India Movement. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. When was the Indian Independence Act passed in the British Parliament? July 18, 1947. The partition of India in 1947 was carried out under which British plan? Mountbatten Plan. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of Indian independence? Clement Attlee.